Didn't want to start the first fan cam of my channel, but yeah, I was catfished. I believed everything. I tried to understand where the club is going. No, no. Update. This update guy is a scam, Buffett. This update guy is a scam. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This update slam guy is a fraud. Why Orlando Pirates? Why do you have to bring? I'm a novice. I want to sing from out of nowhere. A foreigner. I'm sorry to say it, but he is. Montesingamazi, the CV. After 6 months, you gave this guy the job. You said he's the man to win us the big one. The big one that we were fighting for today, which we ironically lost. Yes, people. Back again. Sabelo Mfana Kamdluli. This is the first fan cam of my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, comment. But yeah, Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 1. Sekhukhune have beaten us not once but twice. Our bogey team last season, Bashayile. What's going on? Tell me, ngitsheleni bafethu. Silungisa kanjani lento le? Because what I'm seeing is absolute pathetic. What I'm seeing, what I'm watching, it's pathetic. What are we? What was that? Huh? What was that? Hey, I'm asking you, the big Orlando Pirates fans. I'm asking you, the one who told me, yeah, I give him kindness card. He's gonna cook. Update is the one. Give him time. I don't have time in our feet. 2011, the last time I saw this club win a league. 2011, guys. 2011. What were you doing in 2011? Aungele wena. What were you doing in 2011? Guess what? Orlando Pirates were cleaning up everything in 2011. Treble. They were cleaning up everything. Then the standards started to get low. Bra Ivan Khoza started to low. The standards of the club, the signings we've signed, the investments we've done, poor. Let's go to the goalkeeper. Sipho Chayini. What the hell are you doing? Goalkeeper of the season, really? Okay, you couldn't keep that one in sharp. Alright, fuck. We lost. No clean sheet for you, my guy. Goalkeeper of the season, remember. I disagreed with this. Right back. Right back. Mashilwane. Who? Ay, akekho mnandi, akekho donsa maketang lo muntu lo. Mute for no reason. Skeleton man, moving like Michael Jackson skeleton. What the hell are you doing? Can't you cross a ball? Munyani part 2. Donsa maketang, you can't run. Gijima njengenkomo baba. Literally, you run like a cow, bro. What the Mbogazi Sibisi. Okay. Hoto. Wow. Our only left back in this team. Hoto angeke struggle to win that left back position. He's gonna play Hoto. He's got no competition. No one is gonna push Hoto. 36, 37 years old. Why didn't you go sign Basadin? Fawaz Basadin. Upgrade. Younger. Experience. Bafana International. No. Didn't want to pay Stellenbosch the big bucks. Cool. That's your choice, not mine. Middle of the park. Where the hell is Talentembat? Last time I checked, he's not injured. Is he? No, he's not. He played preseason games with Talentembat. Udlale wonke ama-preseason game with Talentembat. Okay. Mbuli, Nonduli. Not bad, but why did you have to change Yonginto? Why change everything? Why did you have to not even on a bench with Talentembat? Makaula is injured. Cool. Where's Talente? Oops. The only player for me who was the best midfielder in this Orlando Pirates team, not Makaule, Talentembat. Cool. A police. Sheesh. A police was moving like a Teletubby. A police was moving like a fat bitch. What the hell were you doing, my guy? A police. In. The occasion got too big for you. You scored last week. Tito. Wow, blood. Wow. Wow. Tito. Really? He's gonna win you the league with Tito. Cocomelon. You tried. But you are the only shining light in this team. The only. Spege when for creation. I cannot believe what I'm saying. Spege umufuking for creation. Why? 20 years old? Really? Then another youngster, Radio Pani. Man was moving like DJ Khaled. Another one cannot do anything. You are useless, blood. I'm sorry. I said it when I saw you go Kosafa Cup. First touch yako. Then people were telling me you are gonna be the number one striker for the Orlando Pirates. Then my question was, really? Radio Pani is gonna win you the league. Fuck it, I gotta have Mahopa adlale. I gotta play Mahopa than Radio Pani. I'm sorry. You were moving like a... I don't want to even say it. You were moving like a baboon, blood. Oh my days. You were moving like a baboon. Trying to find the ball. Come on, blood. Come on. Then you've got the substitutions. Jesus fucking Christ. All our subs were all almost new players. Our sub bench, new faces, new players. What's that all about? Namasubs, what's that all about? This update, guys, is fraud, Buffett. Scam of the century. And I'm telling you now, and I'll tell you again, he's not gonna win you anything. Beware, we are playing Sundowns next week. Same day, same venue. We are playing Mamelodi Sundowns. You're gonna rock up with that same team. I'm telling you, we are getting spanked. We ain't touching Sundowns, especially if Ribeiro is gonna be there. You. Abdeslam, I'm giving you 5 games. If I don't see any improvement, you have to pack your bags, or else uzolanda wamagata, uzolanda SAPS, South African Police Service, bazokulanda. Mbuzo Vermezovic, babuze. Sold out, and that's the performance you're gonna give. Get out of here. People, I'm out. That was my rant. Orlando Pirates, what a scam of a club. I believed it. I was catfished. That this season was the season. Nothing has changed. Same old shit, just a different day. I'm out.